start with that. So do while loop programs we'll write, and a different, I think we'll write in different class. But otherwise here itself we'll write. Let's continue here only. So the do while loop programs are basically, I want to write two programs. One is, so you need to enter the number and you select the choice. Then you have to sum all the added numbers and give the output. That's one program. So maybe you add, first time you entered 5, second time you entered 6, third time you entered 4, 5 plus 6 plus 4, 15. You have to get the sum of all the entered numbers. That is a program we are going to do that. So let's do this program with a do while loop. So why do while loop we need to use? Because we don't know the user choice. Whether you want to continue one more number, if you say yes, it will prompt you again. So please enter another number. So like that, until you say no, it will keep going, and you will keep entering, and previous sum and newly added number will add to that. So that's the program we are going to write, first program. But I'm going to do this. So by inputting the data from keyboard while running the program itself. So let's do that. Int void add numbers. So add numbers, and I'm not giving any input. Okay. First you have to declare 3 parameters. So 3 parameters. One is int number. So this is the input you are going to give, and int sum equal to 0. Initially sum I am declaring as a 0. So character choice. What is your choice? So you want to say the choice is yes or no. Okay. So based on this, if you say yes, one more number you will enter. So like that. But how to input the data, all this number and this choice from the keyboard? You have to use scanner class. Create object for scanner class. Create object for scanner class. So scanner SCOV is equal to new scanner, and you have to use system.in. So scanner class, just create object and import that. So now, so let's get started. Do block. Okay, so enter the number. So enter the number you want to add. Okay, so you have to assign the number whatever you are taking. So from the keyboard, you need to assign to that number. So how can you get that? COBJ dot next int method. Integer number you can give. So integer number you can give, and so that number you can store here. Now you need to do a sum, right? So sum equal to sum plus number. Sum plus number. The number. So you add the number to previous sum value. So next, you get the choice. So do you want to enter one more number? One more. Select the choice. Select the choice. Yes or no from keyboard. Yes or no to enter next number. Okay. So that's what you need. That choice you need to enter. So the choice is basically we want a character, right? We want a character, either yes or no. If you enter yes, so from this yes, it has to take a first character, that is Y. If you enter no, it has to take a n. So that's what we are going to do now. So how to do that? Scovj dot next. That is the next method will give you. So what is the return type? You can see here, string type data. From the string, you need to get the first character. How can you get the first character? Using caret method. Caret and give the index number 0. So you'll get the, so for example, you entered yes here. So in the yes, what is the first character? Y. So Y you will get into choice. For example, if you enter no, so this value is no. From no, you are getting the first character. That is 0 character means n. So n will store here. So that's how you can do that. So you got the one, then check the condition. If so, choice equal to y or choice equal to small y until, okay. So until the choice equal to capital Y or choice equal to small y. Okay, so equal to, double equal to, right? The comparison. So single equal to is assignment operator. Until that, it will keep going. So then you finally return the sum. Sum of all entered numbers. So that's it. Okay. So this is one simple program. You can call that. So it will ask you to enter. Okay. WD OBJ dot add numbers. So it will ask you in the console. Enter the number. So it will ask you here. Enter the number you want to add. See, they're still running mode. So you enter the number 5. So select the choice yes. I'll say yes. Yes or Y, whatever it is. You see, it went again, do block. It went again. So this condition is true. The cursor again pass it to do block here. If the condition is true, the cursor will pass to do block again. So again, do block will execute. So now I will enter another number 6. Again, I'll enter yes. So I'll enter 10. So select the choice. I'll say no. See, now you got the output. It exited to complete. So the loop is terminated and this output is printed. That is 21. See, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. Okay. This is how you can get the value. Next. So any questions here? The last program we are doing. Okay, so the last program, let's write. I want to guess a random number. So you need to do a guess. Okay. So until your guess number and random number are same, you have to keep iterating that. With the while loop, can you do this? No, not possible. Because so until first you have to execute, check all the code. So if that is the value, and you check the condition later. So that's why do while only it will help you. That's why do while is important. First statements you want to execute, then you want to check the condition. That cases always use do block, do while loop. No, you want first check the condition, then you want to execute the statement, then while loop you use. That's a difference. So entry control loop, you're in the entry itself, you're controlling. Here exit control loop, you're in the end, you're controlling the condition. That's why a do while is a exit control loop. The same thing, let's write last program, public void guess random number. Okay, guess the random number. Again, so you have to do all this. So almost I'm doing the same code. Little bit of change will be there. I'll just use that. Okay, so that we can save the time. I don't need this. Instead of this, I need a this is the random number, rand number, and this is the guess number. Okay, so this we don't need. Okay, these two only. First, you need a scanner class. Okay, scanner class we need anyhow. So here, first generate the random number. So you already know how to generate the random number in 1 to 100. So int rand number. Okay, already you declared here. Again, you don't need to declare the data type. So rand number you are assigning here, rand number equal to math.random multiplied by 100. That's the random number. Okay, so you got the random number. Now you need to enter the guess number. Enter the guess number. Enter the guess number. So guess number equal to scobz dot next int. So every time it will change, right? Every time it will change. So if guess number is equal to rand number, then you can say you guessed the correct number. Correct? Random number. What you can print the random number. Okay. Rand, right? It's a rand. Else if so guess number is less than rand number, then you can say you guessed your guess number is less than random number. Try again. Okay. Else, so you can say your guess number is more than random number. Try again. Okay, so these are the values, and then do block, right? So do while until when guess number is not equal to random number, you have to keep iterating this. So this is the how you can write a code. So keep going, the loop. So just try it out. wdobj dot guess random number. So this I'll comment out because I want to enter data right again in the keyword. So I'll enter only this one. So run this. Enter the guess number. I'll enter small first. Your guess number is less than random number. That means random number is more. Guess number we entered very less. Try again. So enter guess number again. So I'll enter 50. See now that means your random number is in between 20 and 50. So try again. I'll try 35. Okay. Okay, 35 is less than. That means 35 in between 15, the random number is there. Try again. So I'll try 50, 40. Your guess number is more than random number. That means between 35 and 40, there is your random number. So let's try between that. So I'll try 37. So that means 38 or 39. So any one of them, I'm guessing. So 39 I'll give. More than, that means it's 38. So that's you guessed the correct random number, 38. This is so many trials we took, right? But yeah, so you can guess in less sometimes. That's how you can play around with this. Okay. So that's how you can write the code. The games, basically games, they will write like this, right? So this is the one of the funny game, you can try it out. That's all about while loop programs. And maybe next class we'll see for loop. For loop is similar, but already time is over. I'll stop here. For loop, same programs you need to write. We'll meet on Monday and we'll see that next week. Please write all these programs so that you'll get a confidence and practice all our method programs. Same class how to call, another class how to call, another package class how to call. All these methods you can reuse for that exercise. Okay. Yeah.